Hi guys, welcome back to the Drive Life channel. In today's video we're going to be showing you how to replace the key battery in your Volvo. Now let's just take a moment to appreciate the fact that we have snow in April. Very odd, today's April the 12th and as you can see we have snow. Now we've got the bin lorry coming, so I'm going to get straight in the car and show you the issue. It's a message that will come up on your dash when you start the car. We get in. Will it come on with just the ignition? No, of course it won't. Okay. Start the car. There we go. I don't know if you guys can see that. Replace car key battery there. So that's what we're going to do today. I'm going to go in the house and do it. And yeah, let's get to it. Okay then guys, so here we are at the Drive Life dining table. A must have for all professional car owners. So we've got our key here and we have our battery. You need a Panasonic CR2430 and it seemed massive considering the size of the key, but I promise you it is the right one. What you'll also need is an implement that's sort of long and thin with a blade on it. I've got this Victorinox rescue tool, however I would advise using something like a flathead screwdriver, a thin one, and you'll see why in a second. So in order to get the key open, what we need to do is first slide out the detachable key blade like that, nice and simple. And now our main access into the key, you'll see that there's no sort of ridges around the key, is here. What we need to do is we need to slide this open and you'll see there is, I'll see if I can get it a bit closer for you guys. There is a hole. There we go. There's a hole in there that you can get into to prise the key case open. So I'll just open the blade of the knife. And like I said, this is a nice little simple job to just fix the key. It fixes some issues as well. That's not going to open. I might have to find a better tool for the job. There we go. Right, so I'm going to use the belt loop cutting tool. There we go. Just need to get it in there and prise the key case open. This one has been particularly challenging. There we go, so that's the key case. It's now popped open. We're just gonna pull it now with our fingers, like so. And as you can see, it's opening up. It requires a lot of concentration, this, as you might be able to tell. Just work it round. You can work your screwdriver or your knife round or anything like that. But here's the innards of the key. As you can see, we've got the sort of circuit board here, and then we've got our rather large battery. And I'm just going to lock the focus again because it's driving me mad. Make that a bit brighter as well for you guys. There we go. So this is our battery here. Nice and simple to remove. All we need to do is just prise it out of the case like so and remove it. Like I said, this is a Sanyo battery in here before, so it's been changed. Yeah, it's a CR2430, which is what this Panasonic replacement battery is going to be. So I hate getting into batteries. It's an absolute nightmare. They don't make them very easy at all. I end up peeling it and ripping it and doing all sorts. Come on. These are like Fort Knox. They really are. So I suppose it's to stop children eating them, isn't it? If we... There we go. We're in. Now, to put this in the key, there's only one thing you really need to remember, is that the bits that are going to be drawing the power is this section here. So we need to make sure that the sort of non-branded side is facing upwards. So yeah, make sure that is the case when you're doing it. Oh, I've dropped it now. And it just literally clips in nice and easily. They need to clip in this side first because it's got some terminals on it there. You guys can see that. And then all we need to do is just clip the key back together. Really simple. Just literally put it together and clip it in. It's nice and easy to do. And that is how you replace the key for your P3 or it's P3 Volvo. So this will do S80, V70, XC70, X60, XC90 I think as well had this key for a short time. And yeah, so I'm going to replace both. I just tend to, if one needs replacing, it's a chance that the other one will need replacing. Very cheap to do. I think the battery was about £1, £2. So yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And also I'm tempted to film a video on this tool here. Fantastic bit of kit. And I will, yeah, let me know in the comments if you guys would like to see that, or DM me on Instagram at drivelife.volvo. And yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.